The objective of Movies database is to help users analyze basic viewings, basic information about movies such as displaying the rate and allow user to provide feedback. On today's video, let's work on movie analysis and write SQL queries to solve problems. My name is Abdul Salami. Let's get it done. Hello and welcome to your video tutorial on Data Analyst. So we are going to analyze more of movie in SQL. So right now, first, I want us to take a look at the interface. We are going to be analyzing our MovieDB, that's our database. Let me open the table so we can have a look at what we'll be analyzing. So we are going to analyze our movie. So this is it. This is our movie. Here we have movie ID, we have title, we have industry. All these are what we are going to use when we start analyzing. And then we are going to work on our movie actors. So there's so much we'll be doing today. So guys, please just stay with me. Let's get to it. Okay, so our first question is this. Write an SQL query to find the name and year of the movies. Return movie title and movie release year. So what they want us to do right now is to use our select command to extract our movie title and release year. So we should just bring it out. So that's what it means. Okay, so it means we are selecting by column, not all. So we should select our movie title and our release year. Okay, so we should select them out and launch them out. So that's just what it means. So now to do that, we use our select command, select title, then release year from movies. Okay, so that was it, from movies. So let's execute it. So there's it. So this is it. This is what they want. So that according to the question, like I said, the question is very clear. Write an SQL query to find the name and year of the movies. Return your movie title, just like we did, and then movie release year. So that is done. Okay, so now let's move to the second question. For the second question, what we have here is write an SQL query to find when the movie, in quotes, The Pursuit of Happiness, released. Return movie release year. Okay, so what this means, they want us to bring out the movie, The Pursuit of Happiness. The question remains that what year? So we need to bring out the year the movie was released. So that's just it. What year was the movie released? So now we need to extract the year, and we can only do that from our release year column. Okay, so now to do that, we use our select command, select release year from our table called movies, where title, which is our column, is equals to, well, let's give it a quote, The Pursuit of Happiness. Okay, so let's close it. So this is it. So this will give us the year the movie was released. So let's execute it. Perfect. So as you can see, the movie was released 2006. Released 2000. So that's how it works. So now let's move to our next question. So the next question says, Write an SQL query to find the movie that was released in 1993. Return movie title, okay? Right now, we want to find the movie that was released in 1993. Okay, so to do that, again, we use our select title. Okay, that's our column of the movie. From movies where release year is equals to 1993. That's it. So now let's execute it. Perfect. So these are the two movies released 1993. So these are the two movies that were released 1993. Okay, so that's the query. That's how it took. These are the movies that were released in 1993. So let's move to our next question, which says, write an SQL query to find those movies which were released before 2015. Before 2015. Okay, so let's do that. So we use our select again. Title, like I said, title is the column of the movie. From our table called movies, where release year is less than 2015. So we are referring to movies that were released before 2015. Okay, so now let's execute it. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's move to the next question. Write an SQL query to find the name of all actors and movies together in a single list. Wow. In this one, we are going to use our union. Okay, but first, let's put our query together. So to do that, it means we are going to merge two tables, but the output will be in a single list. So that is where union comes in. Okay, so now to do that, we use select actor, okay, dot name, that's the first table, from actors, that's the first table, then union, okay, this merge the two tables together, then the second table, select movies, dot title, from movies. Okay, so that's it. So that's it. So now to execute it. Perfect. So this is it. Okay, so this contains the names of the actors and their movies. So you can scroll down. So this is it. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more of our videos. Thank you. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Write an SQL query to find all movies title who have rated 7 or more stars to their rating. Return review names. Okay, so in this one, we have to check our rating and then we have to return the values. So we are going to write a query, okay, to fetch out movie titles and their rating. So we are searching for rating greater than or equals to 7. We are searching for rating greater than or equals to 7 because the question says write an SQL query to find all movie titles who have rated 7 or more stars. So to do that now, we use our select title and then our rating db underscore year, sorry, rating, okay, from movies where IMDb, that's our rating, is greater than equals to 7. So let's look at it. So this is it. Now let's execute it. So perfect. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So the next question says, write an SQL query to find the movie without any rating. Okay, so that should be null. Okay, we need to find a movie without any rating. Okay, to do that, let's use our select title and then IMDb dot rating from movies where IMDb, that's our rating, is null. So we are looking for movies with non-rating. Movies with non-rating. So let's execute it. Okay, so we only have one movie, which is Sanju. Okay, it's not rated, so that's it. Okay, let's look at our next question. So the next question says, write an SQL query to find the movie with ID 140, 118, and 112. Return movie title. Okay, to do this, we are going to use our select title, comma, then our movies ID from movies where movie underscore ID in 118, 112. Okay, so from the question, it says, write an SQL query to find the movies with ID, and the ID should be 140, 118, and 112. So first, fetch out our movie title. We need to fetch out the ID, and then we need to give it our where condition, okay, to list them out. Now we need to use our in operator. So that's it. Let's execute it. Okay, that's it. So that's it. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next question says, write an SQL query to find the movie title that contains the word Avengers, sort the results, set it ascending order by movie ID, return movie title, and movie release year. Okay, so let's do it. So to do that, we use our select movie movie ID, okay, title, okay, release year from movies where title like Avengers, then close it, then order by release year. So in summary, what this means is we are searching for a pattern of a movie called Avengers. So we are using our like operator to get that, but we also want to order by release year in ascending order. Okay, so in summary, we are going to list out the movie ID, the title, and the release year among the results. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, so we have 2 movies, okay, and we have the release year. So this is how this works. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question says, write an SQL query to find the movie ID of movie title, The Godfather. Then return the movie ID. Okay, to do that, we use our select also. Select movie underscore ID from movies where title is equals to The Godfather. Then close it. Okay. So now we are searching for the ID of the movie titled The Godfather. So that is it. So the title, the ID, sorry, is 120. So that's the movie ID. Okay, so this is how it works. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.